Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to another review video about this product, which is called QishioSuite.com. I think it's pretty Japanese name. I think it's a Japanese term, I guess. QishioSuite.com, whatever you call it, right? Okay, let's move on. So this particular software, which is launched today, is an autoresponder, AI messenger bot, funnel builder, cloud storage, link cloaker, image editor at an unbeatable one-time price. We'll check the price in a moment, but let's understand what they're offering. So they're offering an email autoresponder. Okay, so they're offering like email marketing thing. They're offering you the chat bot, and they're offering some funnel builder, which is like building your landing pages. They're offering some cloud storage, okay, and then they're offering some link cloaker, and in the end the image editor and everything. Okay, sounds like a multi-purpose software. It's a good deal, I guess, but let's go through further and get inside of this review. So let's go through the headlines or the bullet points. So first of all, it's a brand new 6-in-1 revolutionary newbie friendly business, this and that. Now, first of all, if somebody is a newbie cannot actually make these 6 things work at the same time. So do not say that it's a newbie friendly and you have mixed 6 things in one thing, in one software. So if somebody do not know what is email marketing, what is autoresponder, if they don't know what is chat robot, if they don't know what is cloaker, if they don't know what is funnel, so those people are called newbie because they know nothing. And if you mix all these things, 6 things together, and you also call them, that you can understand easily, a newbie. So for example, if I'm a newbie, then I don't know what is autoresponder, I don't know what is funnel builder, I don't know what is your cloud storage, so I know nothing. So first of all, this first point is that it's a newbie friendly. It doesn't make sense. Second is send unlimited emails to your subscriber, hassle free and all that. This is a lie, okay? Because they will suck you into your upgrades. So once you buy this upfront product for 20 bucks or whatever the price is, once you go into the dashboard, into the control panel, then when you try to send emails, I think they will put a cap, they will put some limits, and then eventually they'll have to ask you to upgrade. And if you want to continue using them, you got 2 choices. Either you pay them more and upgrade to the maximum of amount, or else you leave them by giving 20 bucks and forget about that. So this is going to be a suck up environment. They are going to suck you into this upgrade thing because they have their own funnels. And then even if you buy these kind of softwares, once you pay the upfront cost, you will have like 6 more landing pages, 6 more sales funnels. You have to go at the bottom, click on no thanks, no thanks, no thanks, no thanks, and eventually after 15 minutes you will actually get the product which you have paid for, if you're technical enough. If you're not technical enough, you will never get to the dashboard, you will never make to the control panel. Okay, now let's go further down and let's see instant price and all that. Now see, this website looks fancy, everything looks professional, it looks good, it looks a good website and everything. So first, okay, let's catch this point here. So this is how much QishioSuite generate for us. Now here they're saying it generates $264. Now first of all, you're not selling some make money online software. This is only an autoresponder, this is only a funnel, and this is software. So how can you claim that this is making me this kind of money? So this is your software, and you are only able to, or you have to only sell your software. You cannot say that this is how much we are making. We will get to this topic in detail in a moment. Let's go further down. And then again it says yesterday $304, right? Yesterday this product was not even launched and they made $304 yesterday. Can you see here, right? And then last 7 days they made this much. So this product did not exist in last 7 days, and if they show you last 30 days, I think this is quite interesting. Last 30 days, 12,027.94. Now here I have to call them as a scam. I didn't want to call them as a scam for now, but right now, yes, I'll have to use this word because let's say I'll prove it now. So they're saying last 30 days they were able to make 12,000, and I will prove that they did not exist before 30 days, right? So let's prove it right now before we go any further. So let's copy their website here, then go to whois.com and then paste their URL and click on Whois, okay? And then here you see this information. So it shows that their website was launched, or this domain was bought on 11th of May 2021, and today is 4th of June 2021. So it has been 30 days today, okay? So this is the date when they purchased this domain. Now friends, the day you purchase the domain, on the very same day, you will not be able to build a website, get it up and running, and then start making money. Are you getting the point? Because they purchased the domain on 11th of May, and if we consider that, okay, now today is the 30th day, and they have launched the website, they have launched the product today. So they are saying they made this kind of money in the last 30 days. Now, how is that justified? Because you purchased this domain on 11th of May, and then it must have taken you like 10 days, 15 days, 2 weeks, probably more than that or less than that. So it must have taken some time for you to get this website live. So how come you're making the money or showing the stats for last 30 days when you were not existing? You were not existing on 4th of May. You can see here this domain was purchased on 5th of May, okay? So their lie has been caught red-handed. So they're lying. They have not made any kind of money. It's all bullshit. And let's go further down here. Let's see what else they have. It looks a pretty website, I guess, because and inside the dashboard, if they're giving you email campaigns, this autoresponder, and if they're giving you the cloud thing, if they're giving you Autobot, robot, whatever they're giving, it's good. But they're doing false advertising because they're misleading you, and eventually what's going to happen is they will sell these copies to thousands of people or whatever, and eventually, when you start using their this thing called autoresponders, your emails will go to spam. Okay, so if by some miracle your emails get delivered, they will only get delivered into spam, and they will never reach to the inbox. That's what is the autoresponder role is, and then you will actually have no support from them. Now let's compare how these people actually can help you if something goes wrong, because they say they have been making money for 30 days or whatever, and this website has been only existing since last 30 days. Now if you compare some good or known reputed autoresponders in the world, they are Aweber, they are GetResponse, and let's check when they were actually registered. So if I type in getresponse.com here and click on whos.com, you will see that they were registered in 1998. So GetResponse has been in the business since last 23 years. 23 years, and these people has launched their product just today, and their website is only 30 days old. Okay, so similarly you can check aweber.com, and you can see that Aweber has been into the business since 1998 again. So Aweber and GetResponse, they are trustworthy competitors of each other. I'm not affiliating with anybody, but these are the facts. Okay, these are the facts which you can go for. And then again, just get to this website. This is only a 1 day product, not even a 1 day, this is only 2-3 hours old product. Okay, now I'll tell you the insights how these people actually try to scam you or try to make some money out of you, because you're a victim, they feed on you. So what they do is they outsource their website work to some IT software companies in outside United States, possibly in Philippines or South Asia. And what these software companies do is they create this kind of product for everybody. So they charge some money, and then they can create such product. Then you can upload that product on Warrior Plus, and then you can get some sales. So these kind of softwares are made by the same companies for different clients over and over again. So it's not that person who is claiming that he's the owner of the product. He has not made this product. It's some company in Philippines or South Asia who has done this for them or for him, and then he is just uploading this product on Warrior Plus to make some sales. Now the concept is, if you notice, why is it launching on 4th of June only, or why some product is launching on 3rd of June or on 5th of June? Have you asked that question to yourself, that why they are launching these products on these particular dates only and not before or not later? So if you have not asked this question to yourself, ask this question to yourself right now, because I'm going to tell you why. I'll tell you the answer. So why these people launches these products on particular date, because they do not have a choice. Because the work or this particular website, they outsource. So if they're outsourcing this website to some company in Philippines or in some other country, so that company tells them their schedule, that okay, we are busy until this date, we are working on other clients, and we can only deliver your project on this particular date. And that is the whole and sole reason that why these products gets launched on different exact dates. Why this product was not launched on 3rd? Because this product was not up and ready until 4th by those companies. So this is the main concept, that there's a particular date for launching these products. Otherwise, why not somebody launches the product as soon as it's ready? Okay, so this is one way they're trying to trick you here. And it looks, the website is pretty fancy, everything's good, but I don't trust them. I don't trust them because they're only registered on like 30 days before, on the 31st or I think 5th of May, I guess. And then again, emails will go to spam, and there are like the unlimited softwares like these, the funnels, the the autoresponders, everything. There are a number of choices on Warrior Plus, and I think none of them are going to work, because when it comes to support, you will have different time, you will have a lot of struggles in contacting the support. Nobody will respond, and you will end up losing, especially you will lose your money, because later on you will find that you have to upgrade so much, you have to buy higher prices. And I'll show you actually what will be their upgrades. If I go here, so you can see there are the upgrades, like $16 is the basic price, then 13, then 37, 27, 67. The highest is 4,500. Can you see here? So the highest upgrade is 4,500, 97, 197. So eventually they're going to suck you up and ask you for more money, and that's not what you want. You wanted something to make money, and friends, this thing is not going to make any money. This is a software which claims to give you email marketing and this and that. It looks fancy, but eventually I think you have better options out there in the market, and stay away. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.